Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time watching this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today we are going to troubleshoot the wall heater, and we had a complaint that the wall heater is not working. So I came over here, I turned on the wall heater all the way to 90 degree, and I noticed that the wall heater is not working at all. I have another wall heater with me, brand new, but before that I want to show you guys a trick before replacing any wall heater. So first of all, we need a screwdriver for doing this. You don't have to open the whole wall heater cover. Basically there's a reset button all the way in here. If you guys can see, let me, okay, so it says push heater test. So for this one we just need something sharp like a screwdriver, a small screwdriver. We just have to find the reset button. It's right here, and then press it one time. There we go, guys. So the problem is fixed. This wall heater, the only problem with this one, it was the reset button, so we reset it, and right now everything works. Once again, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.